Yo. Alright, so today is January 26th, 2025. I won't be doing any live streams for a while. Looks like this eats up my data on my internet and a lot, especially when I do live stream on throughout the whole day basically. I just live stream 3 times. So we won't be doing any live streams for a while, but I will still continue to do my recaps. Um and my pre-market levels just and then I just post them afterwards. I'm gonna try to keep them under um, 10 and 15 minutes. Try to just keep them short. So quickly, we can see that ES and NQ gap down. I don't have any levels for NQ. I could have sworn I just did levels. It's like it's not showing any of the levels that I have up. I just did levels for NQ. I literally just did levels for NQ. It's not saving them. Um, I just did levels for NQ. No, I have it under reviewing. That's why. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Cause this doesn't make sense because it didn't save the earlier one. So NQ gap down. We have a lot going on here. Price has been a steady downtrend. You can see that we had selling off. Price came up and then it's been selling off here. Haven't been even been buying here. This probably would have gotten me. I would have been looking for a buy here, but we need to clear this. Right, and since we didn't clear it, we clear it to the downside, continue lower. Alright. Thoughts to just have in my head that just because I see my indicator, if price doesn't react above or doesn't show signs of moving up higher, I don't need to go in that direction. So price has been dropping, dropped about 30 points overnight, 33 points overnight, from the close is probably around here somewhere, dropped so far 60 points. So a lot of people are going to be down. Price has been rising on no volume. Right, there's been no volume since 14, like just dead volume. So and price has been declining. So we came up to an area where price had the strongest selling volume, which is the FOMC area. Couldn't find anything here, and then now price is probably going to come back down somewhere around here maybe before moving higher. These are just speculations, right? We can see that in a 4 hour, we're still in an uptrend buy, so we still got to clear 640, and that's about it. Maybe something around here, perhaps something around here, but that's about it. If price comes down here, then that's 354 point move, but that's not to say it's impossible. That's since the 13, and we moved that much in 11 days. So that's not to say that this is not possible to come back down and fall even faster, since price usually fall faster than it rises. So we're clearing the last buy here. We do have on the 1 hour. We do have a buy on the 4 hour. On the 30 minute, we're still in somewhat buying territory. This is buying territory. We're gonna have to respect that. Price does need to clear, so we are shifting directions to becoming more of a sell, a selling trend, selling trend. I'm out of buys. Definitely on the selling trend here. Let me do this. All right, downtrend for real. Nothing here for buying wise. We have a bottom somewhere around here, and then we can see in the 1 minute we are in a heavy downtrend. So I'm gonna have to redo these when I get a chance to see where price is when I wake up, and then revisit the charts in the morning. Also, for this week we do have heavy earnings. There's Tesla, Meta, Microsoft on Wednesday, Apple, and Intel on Thursday. These are just the close, so the more openings might be devastating. So may need to look at these here to see how all three are doing. I'm not going to do that now for time wise. And then we also have FOMC on Wednesday, and usually we have it twice if I can recall correctly. But we have FOMC on Wednesday. Okay, do we have non-farm payroll? No. Chicago PMI. So we have FOMC on Wednesday, and then also this right here might actually be very devastating. Trump sending this to the Colombian president with a emergency 25% tariff on Colombian goods, then coming into the United States, and then we'll rise it after 1 week to 50%. And then Colombia decided to just grab the go actually send a plane to grab the individuals that Trump was trying to send. So it's gonna be very interesting week. This has been a very chaotic so far week for a lot of people. So we're gonna see how price reacts to all of this news. So I'm gonna stop here. I don't really have a game plan yet for the week. I am more short bias around here. It's the same thing with NQ. Right, everything is just tanking right now. NQ also rolls with no volume, so there's nothing for it's not out of sync as far as what price is doing. It did kind of sell a little early, I would say, but it's not out of sync. We do have volume down here where price might bounce. Price has really taken a drop since wherever time we closed yesterday. So the close was at, for this one candle, 219.08, so 219, so up here somewhere. So we're down about 400 points, right? A lot of clearing. So we'll see how price reacts when I come back to the chart. So I am in a downward trend. We're not buying on the 4-hour, not buying on the 1 hour per se. So yeah, and then the 30-minute is also down, and the 15-minute is also down. So no, 15-minute has a buy area right here. So we have that, so gonna respect that. So price did bounce off of that. So, but we're on a heavy downtrend, so it needs to clear this for me to say that okay, we can go up, or have they have something here that just starts pushing us all the way through. But I'll have to revisit these areas in the morning. So that's it for me. Close to my 10 minutes, logging off, and I'll be doing a 15-minute setup for tomorrow. Bye.